All right, welcome back. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to finish up the bottom two sections of your website, and then we are going to do our screenshots for that, and then you need to turn in all your files, and you are done with this project and ready to cut it out. So I want to scroll down here to my create section, okay? And I want to go ahead and see what each picture is that I need to take or do a screenshot of to meet the proof that I've passed all the required tests. Okay, so first thing says I need a picture of the finished laser design in Adobe Illustrator that shows my name, the size, and the actual design. Okay, so easy enough. I'm going to come over here. My name's right here. My design's right here. I just need to get my size up here. For me, again, it's going to be on the right hand side, but for you guys, it's going to be up here. So I'm going to scroll my mouse wheel and get my picture as close to the top of the screen as possible without any of it being cut off. Okay. And then I'm going to go and open up my snipping tool. Okay. So for you guys, it's going to be over here at the top left for you. For me, it's not at home or at school. And I'm going to open up the snipping tool. I am going to click the new button right here where the scissors are, and I am going to unclick that because I did not put up what size it was yet. So I have to click out here off of everything first, remember, and go to Document Setup, which will be up here at the top right for you, and click Edit Artboards. And then I want to go back now that I can see my width and height, which you guys will see up here. Go back to my snipping tool and click New. And I want to make sure that I'm getting my name all the way to my size and all of my image to show that I am meeting all the things I need for that. I'm going to save this into my folder that I have created. So again, I'm going to come down here and go to my tech folder and my laser engraving folder. I'm going to rename this one Design. You can name it laser design, whatever. I think I will name it laser design. Okay, save. And then I am going to minimize this and come back over here and click off of everything by clicking the black arrow. And for this one, you're not going to take a screenshot of it in Control Y because you will have crossing path lines, and I'm not looking for that. I'm looking to see, did you create your layers? Okay, so go over to your panel on the right. Yours is about the fourth panel down. It's usually down here at the bottom for you guys. Click on your layers. Make sure that you can see cut and engrave. And this time I'm going to move this picture as close over here as possible so that I can see that. Okay, so I'm looking for two things here. I'm looking to see, have you created the two layers you were supposed to create, one named cut and one named engrave? And are each part on the correct layer? Okay, so I'm going to have to take two screenshots to show this. So on the first one, I'm going to turn off my engrave layer by clicking the little eyeball icon so that all I see is the cut layer right here. And I'm going to take a screenshot of that by clicking back on my snipping tool and saying new. And then I am going to highlight this all to show just that amount that my cut layer has only my cut lines on it. And I'm going to save this to the same folder, and I'm going to say laser cut lines, or we'll just do laser cut layer. Okay, and then I am going to come back over here and turn on my engrave layer and turn off my cut layer so that all I can see is what's going to be engraved. I'm going to do one more screenshot by clicking on my snipping tool again and saying new, and I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of that as well. I just dragged my mouse around that shape and let go of the mouse. And now I'm going to click the Save Disk, and I'm going to name this the same thing, but instead of cut layer, I am going to say engrave layer. Okay, so I have 3 screenshots there. You would have, so I'm going to minimize this and minimize this. Now, your last one is a picture of it serving its purpose. So I want a picture of it after it's all cut out and engraved, with your earbuds actually on it or in it, showing that it actually serves the purpose it's supposed to be for. Or if you're doing the phone stand, that it actually holds your phone. Okay, and that would be your third picture down here. So I'm going to answer this question and say yes, my design passed all required tests. Okay, and then I am going to add those pictures that I just took. And so I can click this little green cloud right here to upload the pictures. Okay, make sure that you go to your tech folder and laser engraving. I can click and hold down the control key to select all 3 of the pictures I need to upload. So I can do that and click open. It's going to take it a minute to upload all 3 of those. And then by default, it always puts them somewhere random on the screen. Okay, so I will end up having to move them to where I want them to be. Okay, so once they're uploaded, first I'm just going to drag this. Actually, I'll just drag the improve down underneath them. That's easier. Okay, so they're up here where they go. So first I'm going to move this picture over here and this one down. So now I have these 2 that I need to be right here. Okay, and I'm just going to move this a little bigger so that it fits in there with the other one. Okay, I'm going to move this one in the center here, close to it. You know, it's hard to get it perfectly centered. So I have that one here. So I have each of these pictures. If you can't get them up here with this, that's fine. As long as they're here showing me, and you have a third one down here, that's your other image, which for you guys, I'm just going to come over here and grab that same picture that I've been using to say that this image is coming soon. So I'm just going to copy this to put over for you guys so you can see that yes, there will be one more picture added down here. Okay, it's uploading that one real quick. So I can move it up here to show that this is my last one. Add a picture of your laser project serving its purpose. And so holding phone or earbuds. Okay, so I have that there. I would come down and answer these 4 questions under improve. And then once I've done that, I would be done with my website. I would click on publish to publish it. Okay. And then I would click the little link right here to copy this link. And I would go turn that in on Schoology. So at the bottom of the screen, it's going to show you guys what that should look like. It tells you exactly how to do that to turn it in. You're going to click the Submit Assignment button, click on the Create tab on the Submit Assignment. You're going to paste that link, and then don't forget when you paste the link in SketchUp in Schoology to click the little chain link at the top of that menu and paste the link a second time to make it a clickable link like this for me to be easily able to get to it to grade. Okay, and then you would come up and click next after you turn that one in. And on this one, you're going to turn in your Adobe Illustrator design file. It should not say decal, it should say laser design file. So let me fix that real quick. Turn in your laser design file, and you'll do that just by clicking the Submit Assignment button over here and clicking the little icon to search for the file on your computer. Remember, this is what it should be named. This is how it's going to be graded. Once you have them both turned in, you're good to go and you're ready to have me come over and check it off and get it cut out and engraved on the machine. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys got everything you needed to out of this and were able to successfully create your project and are ready to move on to your summatives where you get to choose 2 projects of your own to make for you or whomever you choose. Have a great one.